Hey, welcome to another fantastic JavaScript journey. Today we're diving deep into the array findIndex method. The array findIndex method helps us to search through an array and returns the index of the first element or item that meets or matches a specific condition. So imagine you have a list of fruit. I already have a list of fruit above here. And let's say you want to find the exact position of a specific fruit. Let's say cherry in this case. Well, this is where the findIndex method comes in handy, and here is how it works. First, let's declare a variable to save the fruit to find. So I want to find let's say cherry, right? I want to find the position of cherry, right? So we're going to call the findIndex method on fruit. So we have fruit, the findIndex. It takes an arrow function as an argument, which then takes three parameters. The element or item, which I'm going to be naming fruits, right? Where is the current element or item being processed? That's what this means. Then I have index, which is optional, small letter, index, which is optional. The index of the current elements being processed. Then last parameter, which is array, which is also optional. The array on which the findIndex method was called upon. So I have the arrow function. And I have to return something in this color block. What I want this function to perform. Right? So I want it to return fruit equals fruit to find. But first we'll have to save this into a variable. We have const fruit index to find. Right? So we have to console.log fruit index to find, right? Let's see what that prints out. So cherry is on position 2. So this just simply performs like if this condition is met, return the index of that, right? So in a case whereby the fruit isn't in the array, or what fruit we're looking for is not in the array, so this would return a negative number, -1. It will return -1, right? So let's try doing, let me just remove. So let's console.log that. It returns -1. So let's look at a practical example. Suppose we have an array of objects, people. I just copied and pasted this with their ages. I want to find the index of the first person who is at least 18 years old. So we're going to call the findIndex method on fruit. So I have findIndex, which takes an arrow function as an argument, which then takes three parameters. The item, which I'm going to be naming person, which is the singular of people. I don't need the other two parameters. Then return, this is what the condition I want to be met. So I have return person.age. Age is the property of people, the object people, greater than 18. So I have to save this into a variable. So I have const get adult index equals this. So I have to console.log that to print it out. So I have console.log get adult, right? So let's run that. -1. Why am I getting -1? It means it's not in the array. This has to be all people, right? So let's do that. So I have 0. So Tolani, age 25, is on position 0, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more JavaScript tutorial. Thank you.